So hey Shelby, I know today's pretty important to you. October 21st, pretty important day. And so I decided to make a little song. Now I can't sing, and I'm tone deaf, so this is gonna hurt you, like, immensely. But goddammit, you're a friend, so I'll try. Here we go. Hello Shelby, how are you today? Got nothing else on my mind but great friends like you. It's like amazing to have friends as good as you. Hello Shelby, how's your day today? Hello Shelby, how's your day today? Hello Shelby, how's your day today? Okay, I swear I know more things than that. But like, besides that, I kinda wanna go over my own day for a bit, because I'm kinda tired, and I'm just saying this off the wall. Just exhausted, you know? Like, I'm kinda starting to have a problem where everyone thinks I'm gay. It's weird to describe, I know. Especially since, like, everyone already thinks I'm gay in your group, but, like, it's starting to extend to, like, my bio teacher, my math teacher, my parents, my sister, like, my brothers, my boyfriend. Everyone thinks I'm gay. It's absolutely insane. I don't know what they're talking about. I just really like pineapples. Hello, Shelby, how are you today? Hello, Shelby, hope your day's going well. It's pretty momentous today. I'm glad to be sharing it with friends like you. Hello Shelby, how are you today? Hello Shelby, what do you consider happiness in this world? For me, it's just spending time with my friends and awesome friends like you. Happy birthday. I recorded this like 7 more times, but like, I was like, okay, I'm tired, I got 2 hours of sleep. Whatever comes out of my voice now, like, I haven't even checked any of the other things to see if I sang correctly, so I could be doing the wrong thing this whole time. I'm sorry, but just like, happy birthday, my bro.